Japan in 2050 will be a land of contrasts. It will be a nation grappling with a shrinking and aging population. Yet it will also be a country at the forefront of technological innovation. Japan will be a global leader in robotics, artificial intelligence, and green energy solutions. This essay explores the challenges and opportunities facing Japan in 2050. It examines how technological advancements and green energy initiatives are shaping the nation's future. Japan's population is aging rapidly. This demographic shift is putting a strain on the country's workforce and social security system. To address these challenges, Japan is turning to technology. Robots and AI are being used to automate tasks in various sectors. These sectors include healthcare, construction, and agriculture. Japan is also a world leader in green energy. The country is investing heavily in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Japan is also promoting energy efficiency measures to reduce its reliance on fossil fuels. The Fukushima nuclear disaster in 2011 had a profound impact on Japan's energy policy. The country is now seeking to reduce its dependence on nuclear power. It aims to achieve a balance between energy security and environmental sustainability. Japan's experience offers valuable lessons for other aging societies. The country's focus on innovation and sustainability provides a blueprint for a prosperous future. As Japan navigates the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century, it remains a nation at the forefront of global progress. Japan's population is shrinking and aging at an unprecedented rate. By 2050, more than 40% of the population will be over the age of 65. This demographic shift, often referred to as the silver tsunami, has profound implications for the country's economy and society. The shrinking workforce is leading to labor shortages in various sectors. These include healthcare, construction, and agriculture. The aging population is also putting a strain on the social security system. This is because there are fewer working-age people to support the growing number of retirees. However, Japan is not simply succumbing to these challenges. Instead, the country is turning them into opportunities. The aging population is seen as a catalyst for technological innovation. It is driving the development and adoption of technologies that can help address these demographic challenges. The government is actively promoting the development and implementation of these technologies. It recognizes that they are crucial for maintaining Japan's economic competitiveness and quality of life in the face of these demographic headwinds. Two sectors facing significant labor shortages in Japan are construction and agriculture. To address this, the country is increasingly turning to automation and robotics. In construction, companies are using robots for tasks such as bricklaying, welding, and demolition. These robots can work faster and more efficiently than humans. They can also work in hazardous environments, improving safety on construction sites. In agriculture, robots are being used for tasks such as planting, harvesting, and crop inspection. This is particularly important as the average age of farmers in Japan continues to rise. Many younger people are reluctant to enter the agricultural sector. Robots can help to fill this labor gap and ensure food security for Japan's aging population. These advancements are not just about replacing human workers, they are also about augmenting human capabilities. By taking over dangerous and repetitive tasks, robots can free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. This can lead to increased productivity, improved safety, and a higher quality of life for workers in these sectors. Japan has long been a leader in robotics, and this expertise is now being applied to the healthcare sector. With a rapidly aging population, Japan faces a growing demand for elder care services. Robots and AI are seen as essential tools for meeting this demand. One area where robots are making a difference is in assisting with daily tasks. Robots are being used in hospitals and care homes to help patients with tasks such as eating, bathing, and moving around. This can free up human caregivers to focus on more complex tasks that require emotional intelligence and human interaction. AI is also playing an increasingly important role in healthcare. It is being used to analyze medical images, diagnose diseases, and develop personalized treatment plans. AI-powered systems can process vast amounts of data, identifying patterns that human doctors might miss. These advancements are not intended to replace human healthcare professionals. Instead, they are designed to support them in providing better and more efficient care. By automating tasks and providing insights from data, robots and AI can help to improve the quality of life for both patients and caregivers. Section 5. Mobility Revolution, Autonomous Vehicles and Smart Transportation. Japan is also at the forefront of developing autonomous driving technology, aiming to revolutionize transportation and address the challenges posed by an aging population. Self-driving cars are seen as a way to provide mobility for elderly people who can no longer drive themselves. This can help them maintain their independence and social connections. Beyond personal vehicles, Japan is investing in autonomous buses and taxis to improve public transportation in rural areas. These areas often suffer from limited transportation options as the population ages and the number of drivers declines. Autonomous vehicles can provide a lifeline for residents in these areas, ensuring they can access essential services and maintain their quality of life. Furthermore, Japan is developing smart traffic management systems that utilize AI to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. These systems can analyze real-time traffic data and adjust traffic signals accordingly, minimizing delays and improving the efficiency of transportation networks. By embracing autonomous driving and intelligent transportation systems, Japan is creating a more sustainable and inclusive transportation system for the future. Section 6. A delicate balance, LNG and Japan's energy landscape. The Fukushima nuclear disaster in 2011 had a profound impact on Japan's energy policy. With public trust in nuclear power shaken, the country shut down all its nuclear reactors. This led to a surge in imports of liquefied natural gas, or LNG, to meet Japan's energy needs. Japan quickly became the world's largest importer of LNG, securing long-term contracts with suppliers to ensure energy security. The country invested heavily in LNG infrastructure, building import terminals and developing technologies for LNG transportation and storage. However, this reliance on LNG has its drawbacks. It is a fossil fuel, and while it produces lower carbon emissions than coal, it still contributes to climate change. Furthermore, Japan's LNG imports are subject to price volatility in the global market, making the country vulnerable to energy security risks. Japan is now facing the challenge of balancing its need for energy security with its commitment to addressing climate change. While LNG played a crucial role in filling the energy gap after Fukushima, the country recognizes the need to transition to a more sustainable energy mix in the long term. Section 7. Transitioning to renewables, challenges and opportunities. Japan is committed to reducing its reliance on fossil fuels and transitioning to a more sustainable energy future. The country has set ambitious targets for renewable energy, aiming to generate 22 to 24% of its electricity from renewable sources by 2030. To achieve this goal, Japan is investing heavily in solar, wind, geothermal and other renewable energy sources. The country is also promoting energy efficiency measures to reduce overall energy consumption. However, Japan faces several challenges in its transition to renewables. The country has limited land availability for large-scale solar and wind farms. Furthermore, integrating intermittent renewable energy sources into the grid poses technical challenges. Despite these challenges, Japan is making steady progress in its renewable energy transition. The country is a global leader in solar photovoltaic technology and is developing innovative offshore wind projects. By overcoming these hurdles, Japan can position itself as a model for other nations seeking to decarbonize their energy systems. Section 8. A global blueprint. Lessons from Japan's experience. Japan's journey toward a future shaped by technology and sustainability offers valuable lessons for other aging societies worldwide. The country's proactive approach to addressing demographic challenges, fostering innovation, and promoting renewable energy provides a blueprint for navigating the complexities of the 21st century. Firstly, Japan's experience highlights the importance of embracing technology as a solution to societal challenges. By investing in robotics, AI, and automation, Japan is not only addressing its labor shortages, but also improving productivity and quality of life. Secondly, Japan's commitment to renewable energy demonstrates that energy security and environmental sustainability can go hand in hand. While the transition to a low-carbon economy presents challenges, Japan's efforts serve as an example for other nations seeking to reduce their environmental impact. Japan's story is one of resilience, innovation, and a commitment to creating a better future. By sharing its experiences and collaborating with other nations, Japan can play a leading role in shaping a more sustainable and prosperous world for all. Section 9. Towards a Sustainable Future. Balancing Growth and Responsibility. As Japan charts its course towards 2050 and beyond, the nation faces the critical task of balancing economic growth with environmental responsibility. The pursuit of technological advancement and a high standard of living cannot come at the expense of the planet's well-being. Japan's commitment to renewable energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable practices will play a pivotal role in achieving this balance. By embracing circular economy models, reducing waste, and promoting responsible consumption, Japan can demonstrate that a thriving economy and a healthy environment are not mutually exclusive. Ultimately, Japan's success in navigating these challenges will depend on the collective efforts of its people, its government, and its industries. By fostering a culture of innovation, sustainability, and social responsibility, Japan can create a future where technological progress goes hand in hand with environmental stewardship, ensuring a bright and prosperous future for generations to come. Japan's journey towards 2050 is a testament to the indomitable human spirit, its capacity for innovation, and its unwavering commitment to building a better tomorrow. By embracing the challenges and seizing the opportunities that lie ahead, Japan can inspire the world with its vision of a future where technology, sustainability, and human ingenuity converge to create a brighter and more equitable world for all.